Hi and welcome to Dial for College. This is PB bringing you another update on NEET UG 2025 State of Karnataka. The Karnataka Examinations Authority, that is KEA, has announced the first round seat allotment final results for both UG NEET as well as UG SET. We'll be looking at the UG NEET results of the first round of allotment, which includes medical, dental and homeo seats. You can go into the official website, which is cetonline.karnataka.gov.in/KEA UG NEET 2025, and this page will open. Click on admissions and go into UG NEET 2025. A list of the latest updates will appear. You go into UG NEET first round provisional allotted list, which is dated 1/8. It gives you the dental allotted list as well as the medical allotted list. Now, if you click on the medical list, you will have a list of all the candidates who have been allotted in the first round. Now, Karnataka has around 70 medical colleges offering approximately 18,308 seats. Now, this list gives us rank-wise all the allottees for the round 1. On the 2nd of August, KEA has sent in a notification which gives us the NEET UG 2025 allotment for the first round and the schedule for what has to be done after that. The commencement of select choices will happen for medical, dental and homeopathy courses from 11 a.m. on the 7th of August. Payment of fees for the choice 1 that the candidate selects has to be done from 1 p.m. onwards on 7th to the 11th of August. Finally, the selected candidates, after choosing and paying the fees for their first choice, have to report to the respected allotted colleges up to 6 p.m. on the 12th of August. I'm sure this information was useful. Keep watching our channel, like, comment and subscribe and share with your friends. And until we meet again, be safe and God bless.